Hi everyone, Wes from Carl Wesley Sewing Patterns here, and today I've got a really quick sewing hack for you. So if you do a lot of sewing like I do, you are inevitably going to get some junk on your iron at some point, whether that be glue from fusible interfacing, or starch, or any number of things. So I've got a dirty iron here. You can see there's some brown gunk on there. And I want to show you a really quick and easy way to get that cleaned off. Now, at the sewing supply store, you've probably seen the tubes of paste that are used for cleaning a hot iron. I'm personally not really a fan of those because I think it makes a bigger mess and doesn't really work that well anyway. So I'm going to show you something that I think is a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do is I've got a magic eraser. It's damp and I've squeezed the excess water out. And we're just gonna gently rub that on the iron plate. And all that gunk is kind of just gonna magically come off. If you've got some more stubborn things that are kind of burned on there, you might need to use a little bit of extra force on those. Now, after we've got that nice and cleaned off, I'm going to take a soft cloth and dry it off. Now, mind you, this is a cold iron and it is not plugged in or hot, so just keep that in mind. And then as you can see, all that gunk that was on there has pretty much come off and we've got a nice clean iron. So I hope that tip helps you out and makes your iron cleaning a little bit quicker and easier. Now, all that being said, if you have a more expensive iron, I would use some caution using a magic eraser on the iron plate because there is some abrasive qualities of magic eraser, and I wouldn't want you to damage the plate if you have a really nice iron. So that's all for this video. A like and a subscribe are always appreciated, and if you have any comments, I hope you will drop those below. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.